What's up, everyone? Hey. So you're planning on going on a mission but don't know where to start? Because I don't either. But I'm going to be making this series of videos to help show you and guide you along the way of what I'm doing to maybe help someone out there that is interested in going on and serving a mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So I hope all of y'all that are watching learn something from these series of videos. My name is Johanny Wolfgram, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more information on going on a mission by hitting that button down below and also hitting the notification bell button so you can be further notified on future videos that I'll be releasing. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to talk to your bishop of your ward. And you do that by just simply calling the executive secretary and setting an appointment up with him. And for me, what I did is I called the executive secretary and said, hey, I need an appointment with the bishop. Got there, he will give you the overpass to be able to log into the missionary recommendation system online. And here's kind of a tutorial on what you do once you get that password from the bishop, or I should say the overpass code. Here's what you're going to do and what it's going to look like when you log in to the missionary recommendation system. Let's dive into it, guys. Hey guys, what's up? So this is the website that you have to go to in order to sign into your missionary account. So you're going to be typing missionary recommendation system in your search browser, and it'll pop up as this link right here. It says sign in. You're going to click that. Once you do, you'll put in your username and password that your bishop gave you, or you may have an existing one from a while ago. So go ahead and enter that. And once that is typed in, it'll obviously load, and my internet's going faster today, thank goodness. And so this is what the missionary portal looks like. As you can see, I have my picture uploaded already. You're going to press continue. And so when I was talking about how you had to go to the bishop to get your overpass code, he will basically get you into this right here. And right here, guys, is the amazing list of what needs to be done. And so, long story short, it has everything right there in front of you. All you have to do is go through each one of these links and fill them out. And right here on the left, you can actually print out the instructions of what to do in order or how you would like to do it. It's really up to you and your preferences. And so that's all you have to do to sign in once your bishop approves of your overpass. Go talk to your bishop, set up an appointment with him, and tell him that you're interested. He will have an interview with you. That is the first step, guys. Thanks for watching the video, my Game Day Pros. If you want to keep updated on more videos, please click this video up here and click this video on the bottom to find out more on the process of going on a mission. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later.